welcome back to Adventuring with Amanda. Thank you so much for being here. In this short video, I am showing you how to use the MSR PocketRocket backpacking stove. I'm going to take you through each step on how to use it, so let's get started. To start off, this is what the stove looks like in its carry case. It comes in this red carry case that can literally fit in your pocket. So this is the actual stove itself, and this part of it is the fuel. Now, this is the medium-sized fuel. I get mine at REI mostly, but this is kind of what it looks like. It shows you there's different kinds, and this one is the 8-ounce. There's also a 16-ounce, and I believe there's a 3-ounce, but my favorite is the 8-ounce. So all you need is your fuel, the actual stove, and something to light it, and you're all set. So the first thing you want to do is take your stove and attach it to your fuel. So here's the stove. You bring all the little legs up like so. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like. And then it has this little end. You take your lid off your fuel and you just screw it on. So you can't screw it on too tightly because the stove simply won't let you. So that's it. That is now your backpacking stove. What's really nice about this backpacking stove is it has these wind guards right here. So these are wind guards. So if the wind is coming at your stove from either direction, this guard will make sure that there's a flame in 2/3 of the stove at all times. So those wind guards are a really nice feature. And I would just make sure that all of your arms here are stable before putting anything on it. So this is my collapsible tea kettle. That's what I use to make my coffee. And as you can see, it sets really sturdy on there, okay? Now to light your PocketRocket, you will want to turn this little gadget on because this is your flame. So you'll hear a little hissing noise, and then you can light it. So that was the hissing noise, and then we will light the stove and get it started. Now I will say that with the PocketRocket, I really like to use the long lighter just because it's easiest. And I put the fuel cap of my fuel in my little stove case so I can always keep track of it. So what I do is I turn my flame on just a little bit till I can hear the hissing, and then I light it up top. And there's my flame, and from here you can adjust it. So here you can adjust your flame, and then when you're done, you just turn it off all the way. Easy peasy, and it takes about 10 minutes to cool down in my experience. So now you've seen how the MSR PocketRocket stove works. Like I said, I use it to make my coffee, boil my water, and I will also note that this is my favorite type of coffee. It's Kuju, it's pour over, so all you have to do is boil your water and pour it over, and you have the most delicious camping coffee ever. So that's how I make it. The MSR PocketRocket can be purchased on Amazon or at any major, sports goods retailer. I have seen the fuel at REI and at Sportsman's Warehouse, Bass Pro Shop, and places like that, although I have yet to see it at Walmart. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it helped you out. Please give it a like if it did, and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time.